Hello everyone. So today's our topic is formed elements present in blood. Formed elements nearly constitute 45% of blood, whereas plasma constitute 55% of the blood, according to NCRT. So in this video, we're gonna see a detailed analysis of the composition of formed elements of blood from NCRT, and each and every point of NCRT will be covered in this video. So watch till the end. Formed elements are classified into three parts: erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets. Erythrocytes are also known as RBC. Leukocytes are also known as WBC, and platelets are also known as thrombocyte. Thrombocyte. These are the other names of them. So, erythrocytes are most abundant. Erythrocytes are most abundant of all. In a healthy adult, nearly 5 to 5.5 million RBCs are present per millimeter cube of blood. A very important previous year question coming from here is RBCs are devoid of nucleus. They are anucleated. They are anucleated in most of the mammals. They are biconcave. Their shape is biconcave. The red color is due to the presence of a complex protein known as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a complex protein which gives a red color to the erythrocytes or RBCs. Spleen is graveyard of RBCs. All the dyed RBCs goes to here. The average lifespan of RBC is nearly 120 days, quite longer than a WBC lifespan. Whereas leukocytes, these are colorless. They do not contain any hemoglobin. In contrast to RBCs, WBCs do not contain any hemoglobin and they are colorless. They are nucleated. The RBCs were anucleated, they are nucleated. RBCs were more in number, but they are less in number. On an average, they are present as 6,000 to 8,000 per millimeter cube of the blood. RBCs were long lived. Their lifespan were 120 days. However, but WBC have a very short lifespan. However, WBCs have a very short lifespan. Again, one of the major previous cues coming from here is megakaryocytes. Megakaryocytes produces platelets. Very important PYQ it is. Megakaryocytes are the regions from where platelets are produced or thrombocytes are produced. These are the special cells present in bone marrow. These are the special cells present in bone marrow. On an average, 1,50,000 to 3,50,000 thrombocytes are present per millimeter cube of blood. They release a variety of substances which are involved in blood clot. The number of thrombocytes, when the number of thrombocytes or platelets reduces to a very significant value, the person may suffer from blood loss. If thrombocytes are present in very low quantity, then the person may suffer from blood loss. However, the leukocytes or WBCs are classified to two more types: granulocytes or agranulocytes. Granulocytes are also classified into three types: neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil. These are the more three types in which granulocytes are classified. Agranulocytes are classified into two more types, very famous lymphocytes. Major discussions about lymphocytes are carried out in Human Health and Disease chapter of class 12. And the next is monocyte. Please note, both neutrophil and monocyte are phagocytic. They are phagocytic in nature. Both neutrophil and monocyte are phagocytic in nature. Neutrophil, among all of them, neutrophils are present in most abundantly. These are most abundant, and basophils are present as very least in number. These are least. Eosinophils 2 to 3%. Lymphocytes constitute 20 to 25% of WBCs. Monocytes constitute 6 to 8%. Neutrophils constitute the most part of the WBC. Eosinophil constitute 2 to 3% of WBC. Basophil constitute the least portion, which is 0.5 to 1% only, just. And lymphocytes 20 to 25%. Monocytes 6 to 8%. Lymphocytes are classified as B or T cells, B or T lymphocytes, which are responsible for immune response. Basophils are involved in inflammatory reaction. This is also an MCQ question, that basophils are involved in inflammatory reaction, lymphocytes are involved in immune response, monocyte is involved in phagocytic function, neutrophil is also involved in phagocytic function, eosinophil resist infection. It is involved in allergic reactions. Any allergy that is caused due to some reason in body is targeted by eosinophils. Basophils, some secretions of basophils are mentioned in NCERT. These are very important. Secretion of basophil. Number 1, histamine, serotonin, heparin, and many more, etc. Heparin is a blood anticoagulant. Histamine and serotonin and heparin, these three hormones, along with many others, are also secreted by basophil. However, they are very least in number. Neutrophils, the most abundant, constitute 60 to 65% of WBC. Both neutrophil and monocytes are phagocytic. That is, They destroy foreign organism. They destroy any foreign organism that has entered through air or food into the body. One very important MCQ question coming here, it is hemoglobin in a healthy adult is hemoglobin content is 12 to 16 grams in every 100 ml of blood in a healthy adult. This is a very important previous year question. So here each and every point, each and every single line or each and every single point which was discussed in NCRT has been mentioned in this chart. You can use this chart to do a very quick revision. If it was helpful, then please subscribe and do like, share and comment. Thank you and have a nice day.